It's actually kind of funny, Fran. They don't know what to do with it. Just like the video did.
Trixie and I have gone west, and we've landed in Colorado. Hopefully the picking is as good as the scenery. Danielle. Hey, Danielle.
Hey, guys.
What's up, girl? What you got?
I'm in Nashville for the week. Emily's taking care of stuff in Iowa. Normally, I'm able to come to Nashville at least every month. It's really important that I actually physically come here from time to time and see what's happening within the store and see what's selling. I was going through some business cards I collected, and there's a lady named Cookie. Cookie? And before you judge, she's an auctioneer, and I know we don't normally go to auctioneers places.
What's her name? That's Cookie. Danny, I know her. I met her at an auction. A couple of years ago, I met Cookie at a charity auction in Tennessee, and I paid $300 for a rolling pin. And when I did that, she handed me her business card. Why wouldn't she just